How's everybody doing? Making a quick video. These guys are on one egg. She's getting ready to lay another round. That's her baby back there, and that's her mate. These guys, she looks like she's getting ready. Those guys give them some fresh water, food. So they're asking for water from mom and dad. So these guys right here gave them some fresh water, some food. So they're just chilling right now. Let's get here real quick. Check on this guy right here. Grab his wing. He's coming along pretty good. Gave him some food, so they're gonna feed him right now. So I need to hop out of here right now. That's my only Rick Me bird I have. These, I forgot who the bloodline is from, but most of the other ones are, that's an Olet bird right there. She's paired up to him up there. And most of these are Olet and Mike Herndon from Canada. That's one of the mixes right there. It is. Came out nice. That's his nest mate. I guess they started sitting in here. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, you have a good one. Bye.